know you've been around Cebu. You've been to bigger cities. We are not the biggest city. We are not the most populated city, not the richest city, but we are a proud one.
The main objective of this workshop is how to use technology and data for addressing air quality issue, air pollution issue.
I invite you to discuss about this, think about collaboration.
So, maraming salamat. We are deeply honored that the Philippines is once again hosting this fourth installment of our regional collaboration. Air pollution remains one of the most pressing environmental and public health challenges confronting our region. While advances in satellite technology, artificial intelligence, and geospatial tools that have greatly expanded our access to data, the critical challenge before us remains clear. How do we convert this wealth of information into decisions that protect health, guide governance, and empower our communities?
The sea breeze and some impacts on the temperature inversion aggravated in that areas, and it's like there's a very hazy problem in visibility in Metro Manila. And I think it was also encountered here in Region 7, especially in summer area.
With wind patterns, you really can't, even at a country level, fix all of your own problems. It's how many people does it take to fix air pollution? It's a lot. And so there's some incredible campaigns in the health and harm system that have been applied to air pollution.
The guidelines and mechanisms, such as like the ASEAN mechanism, will play a role to somehow incentivize the countries to share data, either publicly or privately, or for the governmental use. So that's why it's important to do the policy work and have an agreement between the countries and make them actually publish the data for the common good of all the countries.
But I cannot promise that how much what I can do. Like you mentioned here, we are not the master PhD student. We don't know the detail, but we know the concept, what this information can do. But how?
For example, for optical properties, the output is a guide to mitigate air pollution and climate impacts, such as warming potential is specific to ASEAN countries. And the output of the chemical components is the source apportionment. And source apportionment can be the basis of declaring attainment and non-attainment areas.
The burning of biodiesel release a lot of black carbon. Right now, recently, you know that we have a policy that many countries, also in Thailand, we promote EV program, give some kind of support, okay, reduce some tax, so we can dealing with this one.
And we have programs such as the Department of Science and Technology's Smart and Sustainable Communities program. We support local governments and communities in strengthening their environmental resilience and preparedness for waste management, wastewater management, and other sustainability programs that we would like to assist our local government units.
I will be promised that I will try to do, and I will make this information that used to as much as I can when I come back.
I wish you your safety. Thank you very much.